What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be cooking a simple, personal, high-protein, low-carb pizza. The ingredients you will need are 10 to 13 pepperoni slices, a handful of mozzarella cheese, and 1 egg. You can add pizza spices like oregano, garlic powder, or red chili flakes if you like. Also, you may want to dip your pizza in pizza sauce afterwards, but be warned that the sauce will usually add unnecessary carbs to your meal. Personally, I like putting hot sauce on my pizza. The great part about this recipe is that you can change the flavor to suit your tastes. You will also need a small frying pan, a spatula, pizza slicer, and all-purpose cooking spray. Start by spraying the pan with the cooking spray. Next, turn the burner to medium-high. Place the pepperoni evenly on the pan bottom while the pan warms up. Immediately, place an even layer of cheese and crack your egg over it. If you are adding additional herbs and spices, it is best to do this now. I like to spread around the egg, but I don't think it really matters. Let your pizza cook for a minute or so, then begin sliding your spatula around the edge to loosen your pizza from the pan. After another minute, flip your pizza. Allow your pizza to cook for another minute or two, ensuring the egg is completely cooked. I like to flip it one more time to check the egg. When your pizza is done cooking, place it on a plate, cut it into slices, add your favorite sauce, and enjoy. Delicious. So did you try out the recipe? Did you enjoy it? What did you do differently? Leave a comment below and let me know how it turned out. Happy cooking!